Everything is balanced, and sometimes we just need to pick up our spirits with aids to bring forth the intention we would like to see come forth.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
We must pay homage to him.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Why your environment is important to your work. Placing yourself in the Twilight Zone. We are physical beings. This human is about our five senses and how we perceive the world around us. Touch, smell, taste, hear, feelings. These senses of ours is a part of us and is a trigger mechanism to put us in our zones.
What? What the f***?
Our zone is that feeling that places you in that alpha state frequency. Go see my Yogg-Sothoth energy video. When you're able to manipulate your vibration and place your senses under hijack mode, you're able to move in your zone to get into this place of inputting and outputting. Fall into this astral realm and end up on Saturn. Meditation without hesitation.
Wait a minute.
Your physical environment can make a huge significance on your work. For example, when I get into certain visualization techniques, I like to have this one binary music I've been using for years. I have my Lakshmi dupe or particular incense that change my mood. Like I use my belladonna or my tiger balm on my third eye region. My magic room is a portal within itself, so I'm stimulated by the symbols I see before I even close my eyes. Smoking certain herbs or the panic pack puts me in a calmer, more tranquil state of mind. Relaxation is the key, and when we mean relax, we're talking about mind and body. I actually have a list of supplements and tools in the description that I use to get me in the zone. Taking your mind off the struggles of the day is huge before going into your task. You don't want to go into certain works when you just got through arguing with your girl about why you forgot her love day gifts. Got your mind all jacked up because she put that love box on lockdown. Your boss done stressed you out, giving you extra assignments to do and shit, and now you are all in a fucked up mood. You want to enter your zone as stress-free as possible and worry-free as you can. No distraction, no hesitation. Fully engulfed in the moment of your work and the intention of the work.
Message!
Now, you don't have to have any of these tools to get into your zone. Some might even see it as a crutch or something that makes it a need. Depending on items and tools to get you in that zone. Definitely use balance and mix up your work when need be. But remember, everything is balanced. And sometimes we just need to pick up our spirits with aids to bring forth the intention we would like to see come forth. Whatever you do, just make sure you're being, and going for what you know with your spiritual practices. And remember, fuck woke, do work. Dream wise.